Charmy there, who was supporting Telugu Warriors. We saw it yesterday. Venkatesh, the superstar, who was the captain of Telugu Warriors. This time it's been struck straight over the bowler's head for another boundary. So Prithvi is playing his role to perfection.
He's gained confidence in the company of Vikrant. This is a much better shot from Prithvi. He goes straight. He finds the gap. Fielded long off. Not even the picture to stop that one. It had power and timing. 9-team partnership of only 54 deliveries.
Karnataka Bulldozers.
This can turn out to be a match-winning partnership for the Rhinos. They've done very well, these two players.
Goes over the top again. This time another boundary. So back-to-back boundaries, and he's setting the stadium
Chennai
alight.
Rhinos.
It's a good track to bat, but you need to put bat to ball, you need to get in a good position, and that's what Prithvi does here. Good back lift, excellent follow through, more use of the bottom hand. The placement, so precise.
On a hat-trick of boundaries.
Perfect place to go over the top. Bowler's head, and no fielders out there. So it's more or less, if you hit it cleanly, get a boundary for it. This time it's up in the air, in the circle, someone getting underneath it, and he's caught it easily. Well, mind you, those are tough ones to catch. He's caught it cleanly. Finally some respite for the Karnataka Bulldozers.
It wasn't an easy one. It is Sudhir was standing in short mid-wicket. He had to line himself under the ball, and in the end he takes it quite cleanly. There was some confusion, but in the end his quickly goes back. 20 for him is 136. This is a stage where he needs to give more strike to Vikrant. Was breathing fire. He's on 83, not out. 18 deliveries. I reckon 30-32 should be in order, Amol. What do you think?
Absolutely, Sava. To get another 30-35 runs in these last 3 overs, they'll be a happy bunch of team. That means they'll touch up to 170 and above, which will be definitely a match-winning score. This is what happened the previous over. It was very well fought. Mind you, those catches are really tough to have. They look simple, but I can vouch they're tough ones. There you go, a quick single being taken.
Now this is where
running between the wickets, and most
very smart to
importantly,
deny those singles to Huma and
Vikrant is
Ramanna.
back on
Suniel
strike,
Shetty,
batting on
the captain of
84
Mumbai
right
Heroes.
now.
He's here to support CCL season 2. This is the final game, and the team owners and the captains of all the sides have been invited to witness this final game. Goes inside, gets inside the line, get a single only. Need boundaries and over boundaries here, the Rhinos. Bhaskar, most economical bowler for the Bulldozers. Into his 4th over, has hardly given anything away so far. The slowness of his delivery that has posed some problems for the players.
Tries to go over the top, but manages just a single straight to long on to Rajiv. They're heading up to a very decent, sizable score here. A partnership between Vikrant. Prithvi was so crucial. Put on more than 90 runs. Full toss. But there's a fielder out there and he messes it up. It was straight to him. And the bargain. Chennai Rhinos get another 4 runs.
It's taken on the field, full by Vikrant. Powerful shot, one bounce. There was a fielder stationed there. He wasn't to collect that one properly. Suniel Shetty, it seems, supporting the Bulldozers, sitting in their dugout. Vikrant